There are many products available to choose a car bike rack, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best car bike rack from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CAC Bike Rack for electric bikes. When it comes to regular use accessories like a bike rack, a lot of users prefer to go with a trusted brand option like CAC. Therefore, we are starting our list of the best bike racks with the following option from CAC. The CAC hitch-mounted rack is our first choice for the best bike rack designed for electric bikes. It is quite a value for the money option, since it costs nearly half as much compared to other similar options, and still offers a maximum weight carrying capacity of up to 120 pounds. This rack mount is made up of alloy steel, and it will offer you multiple mounting options, such as tire mount, clamp mount, hitch mount, etc. The CAC hitch-mounted rack is designed to support up to 2 bikes at once, which is pretty good in case you are going on an adventure trip with a buddy. As for the security of the bikes, the CAC hitch-mounted rack offers tire as well as frame strips, along with an adjustable locking padded frame. It also has a quick-release lever that will release your bike from the mount with ease. CAC is also offering a lifetime warranty on the mounting rack, which is missing from even some of the premium picks on the market. Number 2. Thule Bike Rack for electric bikes. For outdoor use, there are a few factors that make aluminum products the best picks. Therefore, we have chosen the following option from Thule up next on our picks. The second pick on our list of the best bike rack for electric bikes is the Thule EasyFold XT2 Hitch Bike Rack. As the name suggests, this is a foldable bike rack that can save a lot of space with its folding design when it is not in use. It also saves you the trouble of removing the rack from your car every time you come home from a trip. It is a rather premium choice since it is made up of aluminum. But it also means that the overall weight of the rack is comparatively lesser than other options. Still, the Thule EasyFold XT2 Hitch Bike Rack offers a total weight capacity of about 130 pounds. It makes the rack suitable for mounting up to 2 electric bikes at a time. The Thule EasyFold XT2 Hitch Bike Rack. Number 3. Vibrelli Bike Rack for electric bikes. If you are looking for budget options for a bike rack, you have a great option coming from Vibrelli. It is also a suitable choice for up to 2 rather heavy electric bike mounting. In the third position, we are putting the Vibrelli Electric Bike Hitch Rack. Just like the majority of the options covered on this list, the Vibrelli Electric Bike Hitch Rack also supports up to 2 electric bikes at a time with a maximum load carrying capacity of 130 pounds. This rack features an exclusive anti-wobble hitch that keeps your bike safe even on formidable roads. The best part about the Vibrelli Electric Bike Hitch Rack is that it is compatible with most vehicle types, whether it is a commercial car or an SUV. There is a convenient tilt-down and fold-up feature integrated into the design of the Vibrelli Electric Bike Hitch Rack to make the bikes easy to load on the mounting rack. And with its flexible wheel cradles, you can easily fit electric bikes having up to 5 inches wide tires. Security is also a major concern for Vibrelli. Therefore, it has implemented a triple lock mechanism on the Vibrelli Electric Bike Hitch Rack, allowing you to keep your bike attached to the rack without any problem. Number 4. Leader Accessories Bike Rack for electric bikes. Leader Accessories is also one of the leading providers of vehicle accessories, especially RV accessories that a lot of users find useful. So if you are looking for an electric bike mount for your RV, this can be the ideal pick. The Leader Accessories 2-Bike Hitch Mount is a platform-type bike mount that is significantly better than its competitors. And to make it even better, this is one of the most affordable choices that we came across while looking for the best bike racks for electric bikes. The Leader Accessories 2-Bike Hitch Mount comes with extra wide wheel holders, making it compatible with up to 5.5 inches thick tires, which is a great deal for heavy bike owners. The total weight capacity offered by the Leader Accessories 2-Bike Hitch Mount is about 120 pounds, along with support for up to 2 bike installations simultaneously. On top of that, the anti-wobble system of this bike rack will keep the crucial components of your electric bike from getting damaged due to excessive vibrations. Number 5. Hollywood Racks Bike Rack for electric bikes. Hollywood Racks is one of the brands on our packs today that specifically designs various types of racks for vehicles. The following electric bike from Hollywood Racks is also a well-known choice in the biking community. The Hollywood Rack Sport Rider is a suitable choice for those who want a strong and durable electric bike rack around an affordable price range. What's better is that the Hollywood Rack Sport Rider is capable of carrying even large bikes with ease, as it supports bikes with up to 60 inches wheelbase. As for the weight capacity, this rack is suitable for 2 heavy bikes at a time, with a total weight capacity of 160 pounds. Even if you have a specific electric bike designed for off-roading, this rack can handle it with a supported wheel size of 5 inches. To mount your bike on the Hollywood Rack Sport Rider, you won't be needing any tools or accessories. When not in use, the Hollywood Rack Sport Rider can be folded flat against the vehicle to take as little space as possible. It also has a no wobble installation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easy.